And in mid-September, an increase of earthquake activity under the volcano was observed, which is why they put the level of the status level of the volcano to alert, yellow, level 2. The increase continued until on the 21st of October, it was an eruption warning was given, level 3. And the highest level was given on 25 when it dramatically increased. And actually one day later the eruption started. And then the earthquake activity under the volcano actually dropped. During this period, magma was rising under the volcano, within the volcano, creating its new conduit, which caused lots of rocks to break and triggered earthquakes. Well, at the moment, activity seems to be relatively stable and strong ash emission. So I think it might continue like this for another week, 2, or maybe even longer, and slowly and gradually die out. But because nobody knows, maybe large explosions, and, more significant growth of lava dome, and all that follows. Typically at Merapi, pyroclastic flows that are channeled into these deep valleys, but also overspill the valleys and can reach up till, we've seen that yesterday, till 18 kilometers, and extremely dangerous and devastating. It's probably the trembling at the vent, produced by the vent when the ash